In this class, we are going to discuss about the triangles. Now, triangles involves defining what a triangle is, classifying them by their sides. For example, equilateral, isosceles, scalene, and angles, that is acute, obtuse, right angle triangle. Next is we will understand fundamental properties like the angle sum property, that is sum of internal angles is 180 degree, and the triangle inequality theorem, that is sum of any two sides is greater than the third. Next, learning about special lines like medians and altitudes along with the Pythagoras theorem for right angle triangle. Now first of all we should understand that what is a triangle. Now simply, a triangle is a simple closed figure with three sides and three vertices. So once again, that what is a triangle? A triangle is a simple closed figure, isn't it? With three sides and three vertices. Vertices I want to mean corners. So a triangle is a simple closed figure with three sides. Just remember, with three sides, and it is a closed figure with three vertices, that means with three corners. Now, classifying triangles based on sides and based on angles. So triangles are classified based on sides and based on angles. By sides, triangles, equilateral triangle, isosceles and scalene. Only these three triangles are there, okay, which are based on sides. Now first of all we will discuss about the equilateral triangle. Now in equilateral triangle, all three sides are equal. All three sides are equal, okay, all three sides. And whereas in isosceles triangle, two sides are equal in length, corresponding sides are equal in length. Whereas the last triangle based on sides, that is a scalene triangle, here all the three sides of different lengths, or you can say that all the three sides are unequal. All the three sides are unequal. So this is what you're based on their sides. What are those? Once again we will repeat it: equilateral, isosceles and scalene triangle. Now based on angles, what are those triangles? Based on angles, acute triangle, obtuse triangle and right angle triangle. Now in acute triangle, all the three angles are less than 90 degree. Just remember, in acute angle triangle, okay, all the three angles are less than 90 degree. Whereas in case of obtuse angle, any one angle, because in a triangle there are three angles are there. In case of obtuse triangle, one angle is exactly 90 degree. One angle is greater than 90 degree. One angle is greater than 90 degree in case of obtuse angle. And whereas in right triangle, one angle is exactly 90 degree, which is not less or not more. Okay. So here what we discuss, we from here in this lesson we have understood about what is a triangle, classification of triangles and their types. Now key properties of triangles: angle sum property, triangle inequality theorem and exterior angle property. Now in angle sum property, simple, the sum of three interior angles of any triangle is always 180 degree. So sum of the three interior angles of any triangle is always 180 degree. Now, triangle inequality theorem states what? That the sum of the length of any two sides of a triangle is always greater than the length of the third side. So this is what triangle inequality. And lastly, that is exterior angle property. The exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of two opposite interior angles. So this is exterior angle property. Okay. So once again, we will just discuss about what is a triangle. As I told you, that a triangle is a simple closed figure with three sides and three corners or three vertices. Next is what? Classifying triangles. That means triangles are classified based on their sides and length, based on their sides and angles. Sides or length same. Okay, sides and angles. Now based on their sides, triangles are of what? Your equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle and scalene triangle. Now in equilateral triangle, all the three sides are equal. Whereas in case of isosceles triangle, any two corresponding sides are equal. And in a scalene triangle, all the sides are unequal to each other. And based on angles, triangles are of what? Your acute triangle, obtuse triangle and right triangle. In case of acute angle, all three angles are less than 90 degree. And in case of obtuse triangle, one angle is greater than 90 degree. Just remember, one angle is greater than 90 degree. And in case of right triangle, one angle is exactly 90 degree. Okay. So in my next class, I will draw and then I will make you understand. Okay. So till then, thank you very much.